All right, so let's do lesson 74, writing fractions as decimal numbers. And you guys already kind of know how to do this. You just don't know you know. So I will reveal what you know inside of you that I know is there. Let's say if you have to convert 1/4 to a decimal number. There are a couple different ways to do this. One way is memorization. You guys should memorize some of the easier fractions. So this is one that you should memorize. 1/4 is a fraction, and that is equal to the decimal number of 25 hundredths. All right? You guys should memorize 1/2. That is equal to 5 tenths, or 50 hundredths. You guys should memorize 3/4. That is equal to 75 hundredths. You should memorize 1/3. That is equal to 33 hundredths, with the 3 repeating forever. 2/3 is double that. 66 hundredths. You should memorize 1/5, which is 2 tenths. 2/5, which is 4 tenths. Hopefully I have room. Yeah, I have tons of room. 3/5 is going to be 6 tenths, and 4/5 is going to be 8 tenths. You guys should memorize all of these. These are easy. Memorize them now. Pause the movie and memorize. All right, there's a chair right there. I'm going to trip on it. Now let's say you get to a test and you do not remember 1/4. Okay? Like, darn it. It's right on the tip of my brain. I can't remember. Well, your backup way is to do top divided by bottom. And we've been talking about that all year. Okay? So whatever's on top is going to be divided by whatever's on bottom. Okay? Some people will set it up like this. 4 divided by 1. Oh, this is incorrect. And what this is saying is bottom divided by top. That's not how we do it. Okay? So when you do this, there are students who are like, I can't do this. If I have one person, I can't divide that one person 4 different ways. Well, we're going to add a decimal and some zeros. Decimal point comes straight up. How many times will 4 go into 10? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 is less than 4, so I can bring down the 0. 4 will go into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and we do not have a remainder. So this would be what we said earlier. 1/4 is equal to 25 hundredths. You can always do it that way, no matter what the fraction. If you want to change a fraction to a decimal, let's say we have, I'm dying, that marking, struggling. So number 3, let's change, let's say we have something like 1/6, or even better, let's go 5/6. You don't know that off the top of your head. Oh no, I don't know. What am I going to do? Oh, just do top, which is 5, divided by bottom. Okay, so 6 will go into 5, can't do it, so let's add a decimal and some zeros. Decimal point comes straight up. 6 will go into 50 about 8 times, because 8 times 6 is 48. Subtract 2 left over, bring down a 0. 6 will go into 23 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract 2, bring down a 0. Looks like the 3 is going to repeat. Okay, so 5/6 is about 833 thousandths, with the 3 repeating. All right, so problem number 4 is going to be like pretty close to the same thing. What if you have 1 5/6? Well, you just basically do top divided by bottom for the fraction, and then the whole number 1 goes right there. So that would be 1 833 thousandths, about. All right, so that pretty much concludes today's lesson. Hope you got a lot out of it, and hope you do well on your test.